Welcome back, everyone. I want to say thank you for coming by to the channel yet again. I know it's been a couple weeks and I want to apologize for that, but there was some technical issues with the phone, so I think I have that part straightened out, and I want to say it feels great to be back and great to see all your faces. So we're gonna get into another video here right quick. Here we go. Alright, so in today's video, we're going to do a little quick walk around the truck. I get asked a lot, like, hey man, like how are you doing that? How are you living out of your truck? Well, I'm going to give you guys a quick breakdown, and we're going to get into it right now. We're going to start back and work our way forward. Alright, so coming up, obviously we're into the box of the truck here, and I have these containers. You see the cooler. This one here is all the work clothes, obviously the lunch kit. I call this one the pantry. The one below, this is the dresser for all my street clothes. And yet again, we have the cooler with all the goods. So I'm not starving and I'm not bored, as you can see. Working our way back into the sleeping quarters. First thing you'll see, we've got the Weathertech Sun Shades there. These are the proper ones. As you can see, they fit nice. They're custom cut for each vehicle, so that's a great thing. Really happy about that. Down below, we've got the Pitman Outdoors. That's the ballast. You can see the mattress there. And down below, I've got the shoe closet. Moving our way back up into the cab. You can see lots of room back here. Lots of room. I can stretch out completely, fully in here. Over on the other side, we got the sunshade again. That there is my fan for the muggy nights. It's got 3 settings, so I get that thing going. Put it on low, it just moves the air around and really helps with the humidity and keeps the air moving in here. Back window, sunshade again. So that really darkens out the back of the truck. Moving our way to the front. Air mattress gets caught in there. These here, I showed these in a previous video. These here are the Skeeter Beater screens. So these things are a charm. Like I say, charm. They are awesome. So I've got them for both sides. Go up top here. And you can see it for the moonroof as well. So that really helps with the fresh air. Nice tight fit, as you can see. Around the front here, got the sunshade up there, completely blacked out. Skeeter Beater screen on this side. These things, I can't say enough. These things, wow, unreal. Going inside the cab here, the front. These are tomorrow's change of clothes for work. All that jazz. This is my table. This hooks onto the steering wheel. So I obviously eat off there. obviously, and keep my hats. nice and crisp without getting beat up. Got the new era hat storage thing there. Water cooler here. Spare bottles go down there. I reuse those for my breakfast milk and such. Over in the console, yes, that's a beer. We've got the medicine cabinet, the jewelry drawer, Weathertech cell phone holder. Get a better look at that. And the sunshade, as you can see. I got my boys with me wherever I go. Struggling here. There they are. So I never am away from home. So yeah, this is how I do it. As you can see, there's the screen. And those things, all the fresh air in the world. Other side here, there's the fan. Has a little hook there, so I got her all done up. Let's see. High, medium, low, off, light. Gives a lot of light. It's got 3 settings as well. Comes in handy at night. It's directional, so you can point it if you want it blowing down towards your feet, or if you want it blowing on your face, on your body, whatever. It's fully adjustable. There's a mosquito. That's why I got the skeeter beaters. And down below, got the baby wipes. Those come in handy for the morning, wiping, cleaning up a bit. And yeah, laundry stuff, toiletry stuff, Ziploc bags for whatever. Yeah. And then obviously I got the retracts there, so that keeps everything back here nice and safe, making our way back to the back of the truck. Weathertech in-channel vent visors. These really help with the fresh air as well. And they're painted to match, which can't really tell right now. Maybe a little bit. Front and back, they're under there. You can see them there. Ish. And the nice thing about the Weathertech ones is they come all the way down. Very handy. And that is the quick little walk around of my setup here, my humble little abode, home away from home. So if you like this video, please remember to like it. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you smash that button. We'll see you guys on the next one. Till then, keep on keeping on. Oh, I almost forgot. I will include links in the description of the things that I've gone over in this video, just in case there's something there that might interest you. You can go ahead, hit the link, check it out, and get one for yourself. Later.